Welcome to Tiwa Garden Phase II, a heaven where luxury meets tranquility. Imagine waking up to the beautiful nature, yet being just a stone throw from the city buzz. Tiwa Garden Phase II is the perfect blend of elegance and convenience. Meet Thomas. Thomas once found a pre-launch property deal that seemed too good to be true, but Thomas hesitated.
I'll think about it.
And guess what? That amazing deal slipped through his fingers. Don't be like Thomas. Tiwa Garden Phase II is selling at the pre-launch price, and you don't want to miss out. The 300 square meter is available for 18 million naira. The 500 square meter is available for 29 million naira. The 600 square meter is available for 36 million naira. And guess what? It's all inclusive. And with 3 million naira initial deposit, you are good to go. This estate, the Tiwa Garden Phase II, is right located on the Lekki Expressway. This estate offers quick access to the city and is close to the upcoming Lekki International Airport. With government allocation as the title, your investment is secure and promising. Join a vibrant community, enjoy modern amenities, and experience the scenery you have always dreamed of. Don't be like Thomas. At first, secure your plot with an initial deposit of just 3 million naira. Take advantage of the pre-launch promo, which is still valid until July 31st, 2024. Then, what you need to do next is call the number on the screen. Let's help you and make this dream come to pass. My name is Dennis Isong from landproperty.ng. What we do, we help Nigerians in diaspora like you to own property right here in Lagos, Nigeria, stress-free. Note, you have less than 5 days to go to take advantage of this amazing property. Give us a call now.